folks, it's me again. What's new this week? Not a lot, but some new things. I moved some of the stuff to storage, so there's things slowly moving out of here. Not exactly enough to like make a video of, but who really wants to see me move a box and move a box and move a box? But anyway, so stuff is coming out of here. I can see parts of the floor again. I'm not cleaning, I'm just taking stuff out of here. And whatever I see in the junk pile is going in the junk pile. What else? I got a few new videos coming out. I hear I'm moving soon. I don't know. I am not sure about that, but that's the rumor. I will hold my breath until I see it. And hopefully after I move out of here and this place gets, I don't know, renovated and the house is a little bit different, I want to build another garage. So where? About, I don't know, a couple hundred feet that way. Next to my house. Back next to the house again. What else? I don't know. Not much really. It's just same stuff. I got a couple of tools to review. I didn't really buy much tools. I don't really have any plans to do anything. I've been trying to get things done and motivated to just do stuff. Just been busy. It's hard to keep a YouTube channel going when you're busy doing stuff. Plus, I've been thinking about cutting up more frying pans. It was fun. My sandblaster. As soon as I get this donor bike, I'm like, I'm debating whether I should cut it up or not. I'm like, I think I should just throw a frame back on it, just drive it around the way it is for the fun of it, or I'll just keep it running for a while. But it's a debauchery. So anyway, I'm gonna probably, I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I might just drive it around. I'm thinking of taking the front forks and putting the proper forks on it, keep it running the way it is, put the front end on it, and maybe just sell it as is. Because I could, but then again, I'm like, it's an 86 bike. Do I want to get rid of it? I don't know. I could torch the 85 one. But I know it's a rare 86. I've acquired an 87 frame. Ooh. 87 Honda. Ooh. So I want to be hopping some parts on it. I've been learning that there's all kinds of little subtle difference between an 85, 86, and 87. It's almost like they're like, we don't want to change the whole bike. We'll just like tweak this a little, and we'll take this off and we'll put this on. Then we'll take it off again and put it somewhere else. So it's kind of weird. Like Honda, you should have did something different. And then other than that, that's all. I just want to, like right now, if I put them all back together, which is coming soon, I'm waiting for the sandblasting and paint place to give me the frame back, so I can start putting the 86 frame back together. I'm gonna order the decals and figure out where they go. I have I have a rear rear axle, the front to put together. I'm going to start by probably just bolting on the rear end, just so I can attach the wheels on it. I'm not even checking, just going to bolt it, put on, and probably basically getting the forks all nice, because I'd like to get the front end all put together real nice. I'm going to take the wiring harness and try to figure out how to put it back on. I'm pretty sure I have no idea how to put it back on there, but somebody online will give me a clue how to do it. Apparently it's easy to take off. It's easy to fix the bike. It's just shit show putting the wires back. And then once I get the triple tree, I think I sent 2 or 3 forks out for blasting. I'm going to paint 2 of them, putting one back on here. Try to get that back to a roller. I don't even know where I put the rear rear axle housing, swing arm for that thing. So I gotta find that and put it back together. What else? Put that one. I'm gonna put the 85 back together. I'm probably put the original motor back in and see if it runs. I have all the parts here. I have this 80. I think I probably should just take this apart, run the motor, see how it works, and then take it apart, and then try to pop the motor in that 86 just to get it running. This one has a butchered wiring harness, so I'm looking for another wiring harness for it, and there's a few parts on it I really want that I think are going to be... You ever have those moments where you know there's a part you want, but you know you're going to have to destroy something? Something's going to get wrecked? Well, there's 2 pieces of the muffler thing here. I'm like... there's a nice little muffler guard, which I don't think is rare, but they were on the 86s and 87s, and everybody's like, oh, they're whatever, but I can't seem to find one online. I've seen one, they're all ridiculously priced. And this one is in good shape. Got a small little dent that I could fix. but the bolts are finished. So I'm like, not at this again. So I'm gonna try to heat it up, unheat it, heat it up, penetrating fluid, and just try to get the bolts out. And the back muffler is a complete debauchery. The front forks are so I'm gonna probably sell off the whatever's on those forks because they're not the right forks. Sell out the headlight holder because it's not the right headlight holder. The handlebars, I don't honestly know if they are for a big red or not. I think they might be, might not be. There's nothing useful on there except for I think the starter. I don't even think the starters are the right bike. I think the start button and the throttle cable are not even for the bike. And I don't know what they did to like. There's a switch. I don't know. Anyway, but I'm gonna chop it off and get in our wiring harness. And surprisingly, there's a few things on the back that are actually in decent shape. So thankfully, I think somebody got grease all over the bike and saved it. With that said, I think I've been talking for how many minutes here? Can't tell. Let's see. 6 minutes. Anyway, I'll end it here. I still have tool videos coming out. I got a pretty cool, couple of pretty cool vice grip videos. Got some weird ones. Got a couple of new tools that I picked up cheap. And other than that, thanks for watching. Hope you like my videos. Like, subscribe, and watch more videos. I need watch time. Thanks for watching.